Hello there, friends. It's me, Sir Hamlet Lovelot the Third, but you can call me Ham, friend. And today, on Giggle Time, we're going to sing a song, a very special song. Have you ever heard of Old MacDonald? You have? Well, guess what? Today we're singing my favorite rendition of that classic. I like to call it Old MacHamlet Had a Farm. Are you ready? Let's warm up those singing voices. Me, you, me. Moo, oink, moo. Perfect. Here we go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink-oink here and an oink-oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink-oink. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You're doing great. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack-quack here and a quack-quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack-quack. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck-cluck here and a cluck-cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck-cluck. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This is our final one. Get ready. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa-baa. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacHamlet had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh my word, that was so much fun. You are an amazing singer and very, very good at animal sounds. What animals should we sing about next time? Buffalo? Goats? A unicorn? Oh, I would love to see that on the farm. Well, thanks for singing with me today. You made it fun. Keep singing wherever you go, please. And I'll see you soon on Giggle Time. Farewell, friends.